night before Christmas, 1995. You broke her poor heart and she shattered your pride. Outside that little honky-tonk in Nashville, Tennessee, neon never looked so dim to me. So you went back to your bar stool, reopened your tab. The barkeep came by and asked why you looked so sad. Well, you said it was nothing, but you knew that it was a lie. Tried your best not to break down and cry. Then you said, damn, darling, oh, why'd you have to leave me alone in this bar with no damn, damn, darling. Oh, Nashville, you've broken my heart. Then the jukebox started playing for the first time all night. Since the band loaded out and they said their goodbyes, and the first song it played was one she loved to hear. So you listened as you finished your beer, and then that tear that Hank talked about fell right on in. Out of